Hello, my name is George Kingsnorth, and in this course we're going to look at how to create a flywheel and a piston system using Blender's armatures and the bone structure. We will take you through the process of modeling a flywheel and a simple rod and piston that you might see on a steam engine. And after that we will start to add the armatures, two armatures, so that you can replicate the movement of the piston going in and out and the rod then rotating the wheel. In the animation process you'll see that once we've got that rigged, it is actually the flywheel turning that creates the movement going back into the piston. And once we've done that, we will then replicate that same process using a crankshaft that you might find in a petrol engine and the four pistons going up and down. And some of the issues that arise in trying to use bones and how you might set the cameras up so that you can actually film that to give the illusion, and remember this is animation, so it is the illusion of creating a piston engine where the pistons are going up and down out of sync with one another, which is quite an interesting exercise to follow. In this course it's fairly simple. It's learning the skills to create a flywheel, a rod and the piston that works inside it, and then building upon those skills to create a four-pistoned engine with a crankshaft. So I hope you enjoy this course. There's a lot of other skills that you'll learn, and I look forward to seeing you at the end and seeing the results of what you produce. So thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.